Now that we have entered the new year resolutions, new me, or at least that's the plan, right? But let's be real. Every year we set to make these big resolutions like सुबह 5 बजे उठेंगे, बहुत पढ़ाई करेंगे, we'll eat healthy food, no junk food, and within a few weeks we are back to our old habits. So this year we thought let's figure out what we could do. रीजंस कुछ भी हो सकते हैं कि आई गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाय सोशल मीडिया, फ्रेंड्स, बिंज वॉचिंग कर लिया, या कुछ ऐसे सिचुएशंस आए दैट यू रियली डिडंट नो क्या करना है, राइट? एंड थिंग्स जस्ट गो ऑन. बट इस साल कुछ अलग करते हैं. लेट्स मेक श्योर आवर रेजोल्यूशंस रियली वर्क. व्हाट से? बट इन अ नाइस, ईजी, स्ट्रेसलेस, स्ट्रेस फ्री, आराम से वे. बिकॉज न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस need to be easy and for us for a better version. What say? So let's see what's coming up next. Hi, this is Suchitra Surve, Director of Growth Center, and today's topic is going to be New Year resolutions and how to make them work. Let's look at the implementation strategy because that's the important part, right? So we will talk about growth, and that's one interesting take on how to make your resolutions work. So GROW. G is for the groundwork, the first phase, the initial 21 days. Very important because you're going to lay the foundation of what is going to come. एक बार decide हो जाए कि क्या achieve करना है, then it's easier for us to figure out and create small manageable tasks. छोटे छोटे steps, छोटे छोटे actions, and then go for the bigger one. Think of it as if you're planting a seed and over the time the big tree will be there for you, right? The key is to focus on consistency and gradual improvement. Don't focus only for perfection. Rather than making some vague resolutions like मैं अच्छे marks लाऊंगी, define a clear intention, which means make a sankalp. I commit myself to daily focus studies of say 6 hours. एक और example. अगर सुबह 5 बजे उठना है, you will have to sleep latest by 9:30 p.m. the earlier day. You understand this? So once this connection is understood well, you will come up with the right actions which will really help you during the groundwork phase. The rise phase, the next one, the R, जो next 4 to 12 weeks का होगा. In this phase, you begin to gain the grip. अब basic groundwork तो हो गया है and now it's time to build the momentum. इस phase में gradually increase होगी difficulty आपकी task की, and you'll get a little comfortable with the changes that you have made. But you will need a lot of restraint, संयम, to ensure that you don't get distracted. So obviously uninstall those unwanted apps, mute those notifications, and celebrate the small wins. Boost your confidence, and as you grow you will continue and you will notice that you have become more consistent and motivated. Now comes the next 3 to 6 months, which is the period of overcome phase, the O. ऐसा नहीं है कि सब आसान होगा. कभी कभी कंसिस्टेंसी आने के बाद भी पॉसिबल ये है कि थोड़ी लेथार्जी, थोड़ा लेजीनेस आ जाए. So in the overcome phase, you will focus on mastering these habits and trying to overcome and finding solutions to the obstacles that come your way. जैसे कि by now you will know what works for you, what doesn't. What is your stamina, what distracts you, what interests you, and what sort of things you actually do so that you are more motivated. So start identifying and remove the negatives. The goal here is to create sustainable habits that will last a long term, despite the challenges that life throws at you. So it's about integrating these new habits that you are, and it becomes your identity. Obviously, it will become a permanent part of your lifestyle then. Now comes the fourth one, the W, the win phase, which is 6 months and ongoing. The win phase. This is where you truly achieve and maintain your long-term success. You worked hard और अब habits भी inbuilt हो चुकी हैं. So this phase is about enjoying the rewards of persistence and celebrating those achievements. While you are not aiming for like consistent growth anymore, it's about now keeping the momentum. अब पीछे नहीं हटना है. थोड़ी adjustment, थोड़ी flexibility, whatever situations and whatever is happening in your life and the way it's evolving, it will help you to continue to win and sustain the progress that you've made so far. अब आप कहेंगे कि we know this, we make plans, but the problem is इसको सॉल्व कैसे करें कि ऑब्स्टिकल्स निकल जाए एंड वी रियली डू थिंग्स ईजीली एंड ओवरकम द लेजीनेस. रेजोल्यूशन को अचीव तो करना है, लेकिन कैसे? तो हियर आर सम ट्रबल शूटिंग कॉमन चैलेंजेस. कैसे करना है? जब मोटिवेशन थोड़ा कम हो जाए, फेड हो जाए, द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू रिटर्न टू योर वाई. रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ वाई यू स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. इफ यू know the why, the how will become very easy. Followed by review your progress and accordingly make adjustments if required. क्योंकि बहुत important है. जैसे स्वाध्याय, the practice of self-study which involves regular reflecting on your actions, behaviors and tracking your progress. So, focus on the small little wins that you've had so far and celebrate them. No problem. Most importantly, use the never twice compulsory rule for you, which simply means if you missed one day, don't continue, don't repeat. Instead, learn from the failures and treat them as lessons without getting into the guilt or frustration which will stop you from continuing. Remember it. Most importantly, one more aspect, surround yourself with a fantastic support system. Friends, family, community, because they will keep you motivated and sometimes remind you, भाई कैसे चल रहा है? Keep that in mind. Next is excuses को ज़रा excuse ही कर दो. Don't give in, don't give up easily because actions speak louder than words. Resolution को successful बनाने के लिए ध्यान में रखो, ये मैराथन है, स्प्रिंट नहीं है. मोटिवेशन ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, लेकिन कंसिस्टेंसी अगर रखो, you can easily achieve your resolutions. Remember कि चेंज जो है ना वो एक प्रोसेस है, लीनियर नहीं है. सो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि एक दिन में सब कुछ हो जाएगा या ओवरनाइट थिंग्स विल चेंज. प्रोग्रेस मीन्स इट विल टेक सम डेज, सम विल बी गुड, सम विल बी बैड, बट दैट्स ओके, इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन. धीरे धीरे हर एक छोटी एक्शन, छोटी स्टेप, छोटी कोशिश आपकी आदत बन जाएगी और आपकी आदत बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आपकी पर्सनैलिटी बन जाएगी. सो हैव faith in the process and achieve your resolutions. So, let's make this year the best one, the most realistic, achievable and most importantly fun. तभी ये new year और ये resolutions will make you your older version, a truly new, improved and better version of yourself. Wishing you all a happy and successful 2025. That's a wrap for today. Did you enjoy today's videos? Which point actually resonated with you the most? Do let us know. So drop in your thoughts in the comments and remember to hit that subscribe button because we are going to come back with more exciting topics. करियर की राह पर ग्रोथ सेंटर आपके साथ. See you in the next one.